guys, I am Ayush. Today we are going to cover our new topic named Top 5 Medical Colleges in India.
All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIMS, New Delhi. Now we go through its introduction portion. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, widely known as AIMS Delhi, is an autonomous medical university located in New Delhi, duly recognized by the UGC and Medical Council of India. There is a total of 7 AIMS located at different locations all over India. These branches are famous as AIMS Hospital or AIMS University as they provide world-class medical facilities and uses advanced medical techniques and treatments. AIMS offers its own medical degrees and distinctions in UG, PG, and doctoral programs. Admission to these programs is based on marks based by the student in the national level entrance exam. Now we go through his AIMS Delhi highlights. Here are some quick highlights of the All India Medical of Institute. Established year 1956, that is Autonomous University, recognized by UGC MIC. And All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS, New Delhi fees and eligibility criteria. As you see that the MBBS fees is 1,628 1 year fees, eligibility 10 plus 2 plus NEET. MHA Hospital, that is fees 1,665 1 year fees, eligibility graduation. BSc 425 first year fees, eligibility 10 plus 2. B Optom fees 1,145 first year fees and its eligibility is 10 plus 2. BSc Honors, its fees is 1,685 1 year fees and eligibility is 10 plus 2. MSc fees 1,445 65 for 1 year fees, eligibility graduation and PB BSc fees 805 1 year and its eligibility is 10 plus 2. Christian College CMC Vellore. Now we are going to its introduction portion. As you see that Christian Medical College CMC Vellore was established in the year of 1918 with the purpose to train dedicated persons to run, manage and provide healthcare in the spirit of Christ through the mission hospitals. The college is permanently affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. It offers various UG, PG and diploma courses focusing in the areas of medicine, surgery and nursing. CMC Vellore admission 2019 is done through the entrance examination followed by interview round. The college also accepts the NEET score for admission to the MBBS program. CMC Vellore highlights official website. There is the official website entrance exam. In the university level, there is CBT computer based exam, and at the national level, there is NEET UG, NEET PG, and GATE. Types of programs or number of programs, that is UG and PG degrees and diplomas or PhD with 50 plus number of programs. Mode of registration, it is online. Chandigarh University, CU Chandigarh. Now we move to its introduction portion and we see that Chandigarh University CU is a private university affiliated with A plus grade by NAC. The university has a total student strength of 13,221 with more than 5,500 female students across all departments. There are 16 departments in total offering many specializations in undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD courses. Admission to these courses is granted on the basis of score in CUCET examination conducted at the university level. The university has emerged as one of the top universities in terms of the placement and is also recognized and acknowledged by various organizations for its high placement record. Last year, the placement session bagged the highest CTC offered by an INR 32.5 lakh per annum. And now we see that Chandigarh University CU, Chandigarh fees and eligibility criteria, and there is MBA, courses MBA, its fees is rupees 1.8 lakh, 1 year fees eligibility graduation, and BBA fees 96,000, 1 year fees eligibility 10 plus 2, BE, the fees is 1.6 lakh, first year fees eligibility 10 plus 2 with 50% minimum marks, and BSc fees 1.1 lakh, 1 year fees eligibility 10 plus 2, BCA fees is 90,000, 1 year fees eligibility 10 plus 2, MCA fees 1,04,000 1 year fees eligibility graduation, and MSc this fees 60,000 1 year fees eligibility graduation. NIMS University, Jaipur. Now we move through its introduction portion. We see that NIMS University, Jaipur is one of the best private university of the year 2018. According to ASSOCHAM India, it is also given the title of Best Private University of Skill Development by the same organization. AICTE in the year 2017 awarded NIMS Jaipur as Best Private University in India. It is one of the greatest private universities in India, which covers all the courses in 8 major streams available. The total number of courses is more than 100, and the number of students enrolled till date is more than 12,000. NIMS Jaipur highlights: established in 2008, affiliation and accreditation is AICTE and UGC. Courses UG, PG, and PhD. Streams law, medical, management, science, humanities, law, commerce. Selection criteria, merit-based. Mode of registration, online and offline both. Number of students, 12,000 plus. Paper published, 15,000 plus. Faculties, 550 plus. Technical staff, 1,145 plus. Laboratories, 100 plus. Books and chapters authored, 100 plus. Armed Forces Medical College, AFMC, Pune. Now we move through its introduction portion. We see that Armed Forces Medical College, also known as AFMC, was established in 1948 in Pune, Maharashtra. It is a distinction of being the very first medical college set up and run by the armed forces of any country in Asia. AFMC was initially affiliated to the University of Pune till 1999 and is presently affiliated Maharashtra University of Health and Sciences and is recognized by the Medical Council of India. It started initially as a postgraduate teaching institution after World War II. The institution now teaches and trains medical undergraduates and postgraduates, nursing undergraduates and postgraduates, dental postgraduates and paramedics. AFMC has a total of 29 departments at present. We move to its Armed Force Medical College, AFMC top courses, fees and eligibility. Bachelor's of Medical Medicine and the Bachelor of Surgery MBBS. Its fees is 31,870, and this college offers many of the courses such as Master in Hospital Administration MHA and the Bachelor of Science BSc Nursing, Post Basic Bachelor of Science PB BSc Nursing, and Master of Science MSc.